Hey, I'm Matthew with Baratza. Today, I'm going to show you how to dial in espresso with the Virtuoso Plus. With the right workflow and simple adjustments, you can make great espresso right at home. Today's recipe is simple. 18 grams of freshly ground coffee, aiming for 36 grams of espresso in about 25 to 30 seconds. That's a classic 1-to-2 brew ratio. The Virtuoso Plus adjusts from 40, the coarsest, down to 1, the finest. Since espresso requires a very fine grind, we'll start near the finest end of the range and adjust from there based on how the shot pulls. If you're moving several settings finer, make the adjustments while the grinder is running or completely empty. This helps protect the burrs from unnecessary wear. We will be single dosing by weighing our beans first, but if you prefer, you can also weigh your coffee after it's ground. Since I'm using a 58mm portafilter, I'll be grinding an 18-gram dose. Add your coffee to the hopper. Freshly roasted coffee will give you the best results when brewing for espresso. Wipe out the basket before grinding to remove any moisture. Since this is my first grind, I'll use pulse mode, which you can enter by pressing and holding the button until P shows on the display. Then, just press and hold to grind. The timer on the display counts up to show your total grind time. Once you've found the right grind setting and dose, simply enter the grind time into the timer mode for consistent results every time. Once the coffee is ground, pour it into the portafilter and gently tap the portafilter to evenly distribute the ground before tamping. Hold the tamper like a doorknob. Keep your wrist straight and press firmly until the coffee pushes back. A level tamp is more important than tamping with excessive force. Lock the portafilter into your espresso machine, place your scale, then your cup, and start your shot. A good extraction should begin with slow, even drips at around 8 to 12 seconds, before flowing into a smooth stream with rich crema. This one's looking great. Let's taste it. Nice sweetness, balanced acidity. That's exactly what we're looking for. If your shot isn't quite there yet, don't worry. Dialing in usually takes a few adjustments. If your shot finishes too quickly or tastes weak or sour, grind 1 or 2 settings finer. Fresh coffee and a consistent tamp always make a big difference. If your shot takes too long or barely flows, adjust 1 or 2 settings coarser. After changing grind settings, grind a small amount first to clear coffee from the previous setting before brewing again. If you find that your perfect shot is in between 2 grind settings, you can adjust your dose to accommodate. If you need to go slightly faster, lower your dose by about 2 grams. If you need the shot to go slightly slower, add about 2 grams. We recommend upping your dose so that you are not pulling a weaker shot overall, but it is up to you and your taste preferences. Once you've dialed in your coffee, future shots will become much easier. As your beans age over several days, you may need to adjust 1 click finer to keep the same brew time. Espresso is all about finding the right balance of grind size, dose, and brew time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at baratza.com/support. Thanks for watching and happy grinding. Baratza, we grind, you brew.